Hello, my name is Samardas Gundu. So, I have been here. I attended the introductory session of Sir. I don't know exactly which year, maybe 3 years back, maybe. Uh, then my wife used to do the trading. So I was introduced to the trading since in school times when my brothers used to do. I was always interested in graph analysis. I am also now into the IT. I am a kind of a database administrator and a data analyst. So I love graphs and analyze the graphs. So that is my day-to-day work also. The main thing now, I always think that every graph has as an answer. There is a question and an answer that we can understand. Like the candlestick says, it says the emotions, the buying patterns, and everything. So what I need to, I am also learning about the data science now. So what I feel is like there's a lot of learning that we have, lot of data that we have, and the biggest data that we have is the stock market, and there's a lot of opportunity that have. If we apply our mathematics, simple mathematics, it doesn't like simple ratios that we have learned. With applying the simple ratios, I can trade well, and with a rational thinking, not even like illogical. Every trade which is moving up and down has some rational related to it. It's a mathematics. So, and what I like to do is I like to develop a simple simple programs using Excel. So, what I am focusing is like I will develop such ratios and so that I can simply buy or decide on buying or selling those trades. Like algorithmic trading is my next goal that I am focusing. This is a very this class gave me a very good foundation, which I will team up with my wife, and we will develop a strategies, and we will develop some long-term goals. That is only possible because of this class. And one more important thing which I learned from this class, is trading technical analysis, fundamental analysis is what everyone got. The other fundamentals for life is like money can be bought from any source. If you do business, any kind of business, right? So that also I have learned. Job is one thing, but you can earn money from any field, any business. That is one thing. So this is going to be my business, and my data is going to be my business, and that is very important, which I have learned. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Robert.